Welcome to Brain Vision.
So here on this problem we are given this bucket and water is running out from these two holes, and the diameter of the hole is given to be as 30 millimeter, and the velocity with which the water is running out is 2.5 meter per second. Now this angle is also given, this angle theta we are given to be as 20 degree, and we want to find the value of this force P so that we can give an upward acceleration to this bucket with the magnitude of 0.5 meter per second square. And we are also given that the mass of the water within the bucket is 20 kg, and the mass of the bucket when the water is not filled is 0.6 kgs. So this is what we are given in the question, and we have to calculate this force F so that the acceleration for the bucket is 0.5 meter per second square. So to solve this problem we can use Newton's second law of motion, and we can also see that due to this water running out, the thrust force would be also there, and that would be equals to 2 times T, because there are two holes. So we can write that sigma F net is equals to mass times the acceleration. So F naught, we have this force P minus this weight force, that is M plus M times G, and then it's plus 2T is equals to mass times the acceleration, and this mass is basically the combination of this M plus M. So the thrust force we have T is equals to M dot V, and we have to take the sine component, so sine 20 degree. This is the thrust force, so it will be equals to M dot is basically the mass flow rate for water, which is equals to density times the area times the velocity times V times sine 20 degree. Now we can put the values. So density for water we have 1000, and area is pi by 4 d square. Now diameter for this hole is 30 mm, so it would be 0.03 and it's squared times this this will become v square, so we are given as 2.5, so 2.5 and it's squared times sine 20 degree. Now we can solve it and we'll get this thrust force to be nearly 3.99 Newton. Now we have all the values, we can plug it here. So P that we have to calculate minus M plus M would become 20.6, so 20.6 times G is 9.81 plus 2 times 3.99, this is 99, then is equals to, now mass, this mass is the mass of the system, which is M plus M, so it would be 20.6 times acceleration we have 0.5 meter per second squared. So from here we can easily calculate the value of P, and it comes out to be as 204 Newton. So this is the required answer. I hope you have understood the problem. Thank you.